The rains came, even the small animals getting bigger and bigger. The maize that had been planted has already started coming out. At least there was no flooding. The land will get some water. This is quite good. Let's see the effect on the rest of the shamba. The pawpaw trees are looking good. This one is becoming bigger and bigger every day. You can see leafy vegetables that were not being watered, they're not receiving water. They just, boom, shut up. Now the rest of the pawpaws are doing. And as much as they're receiving water, even the weeds are sprouting. The never-ending story of the capsicums. There's more capsicums developing. It's good to see the leafy vegetables shooting right back up. There's still water. There's good water which all around the farm. The trenches are retained. It is hope that at least the land, the water will seep in well. And the good thing about it, my trees here, need to add a few more during this time. Look at how this crop is happy. It even has fruits. Amazing what the rains can do. It's a happy tree. And still fruiting. This is an interesting surprise. There are some onions. Possibly the next time I'm around, I'll try to transplant a few and see. Then these are the few which are remaining in the nursery. Look at that. Just a few days. There's food. Some leaves are getting this white thing. I wonder what it is. Out of my big trees, this one does not seem to want to fruit. I don't know. Oh yeah, it only has two fruits. I hope over time it will shoot up. The tree with the dieback died. But the funny thing is, like, the sprouts are coming up from the bottom of the graft. So the orange is gone and the lemon is sprouting. But with this one, we'll just monitor. Let's see. Oh, happy is this tree. How it's doing well. I think one of the best trees to grow as a wind protector is the grevillea. If you want a tree that shoots up fast, this is it. I planted all these trees when I was starting a year and a half ago. Look at this. It has endured the dry times, the drought and all, with minimal watering. And here it is. The bag. And here some purple grevillea following it. This few days where it was also dry, the weeds are up. Watermelon, the whole of this area. Look at that. Oh wow, nice. The situation here. Watermelons are picked up very nicely and very fast through the whole block. I'm very happy this time around. It seems like what I've always been missing with this crop is water. But let's see over the next several weeks how they will develop. Since the rain was really heavy, and because of the soil, some of this side, the water has not been draining very well. The good thing, at least with my big plants, the water should at least be adequate and should stay a bit longer. This crop was never harvested. Spoiled. All my peppers which were dying earlier. Look at the effect of water on the peppers. This is good. I think today I'll harvest a few. I need to dry them and then plant them on the other side of the fence. Water which I percolated all around the edge of this pump. So I'm hoping that the grass on that side will sprout up and anything around the fence will also grow. Yeah, so that at least we can have our hedge back. Hopefully the water will stay a bit longer even after the rains are gone. That water should be there. I note that the animals are coming to drink from here as well. Sure, but this looks like dog pose. Someone has been here. Spinach is short but fast.